Welcome to the DV Systems channel. Today, we're taking you inside another active low-voltage infrastructure project at 381 Van Brunt Street in Brooklyn, New York, where the DV Systems team continues delivering professional structured cabling support and pathway preparation for a multi-floor installation. At this location, our team installed EMT conduit runs in both the north and south stairways of the building. Each conduit pathway was approximately 4 feet per run and extended throughout the building, from the roof down to the first floor and terminating inside the main distribution frame, MDF, room on the first floor. These conduit pathways are a critical part of the infrastructure because they provide protected routing for low-voltage cabling systems including security cameras, wireless access points, intercom systems, and future network expansion. Proper conduit installation is one of the most important steps in commercial structured cabling. It helps protect network cables from physical damage, improves organization, increases safety, and ensures the installation meets professional building standards. On the roof of the building, DV Systems installed a total of 7 cameras, 1 access point, AP, and 1 intercom. Our technicians installed a total of 44 Cat6 camera connections and 72 network data drops throughout all 20 apartment units. Additionally, DV Systems technicians also installed a complete Ubiquiti Unify video intercom for the entire building, along with various data lines on the first floor to accommodate the property's mixed-use layout. At DV Systems, we understand that strong communication infrastructure begins with properly planned pathways. In addition to the conduit installation, our technicians assisted with infrastructure preparation to support the structured cabling system throughout the building. This included organizing cable routes, preparing pathways for future cable pulls, and coordinating with contractors to ensure the installation process remained efficient and professional. Another important task completed during this project involved removing an existing wall-mounted network rack so contractors could install sheetrock behind the wall. Once the construction work was completed, DV Systems professionally reinstalled the network rack, ensuring it was properly aligned, secured, and ready for continued network equipment installation and terminations. To maximize productivity and maintain project progress, the team also visited individual apartment units throughout the building to inspect and install missing Caddy CAT7 fasteners. These fasteners are essential for supporting and securing network cabling pathways while maintaining a clean and organized installation. Proper cable support reduces stress on the cabling system and helps maintain long-term network reliability and performance. At the completion of the work, a final count report of all installed fasteners and completed tasks was prepared and submitted to DV Systems for project tracking and quality control documentation. Projects like this demonstrate the behind-the-scenes work required to build reliable communication systems in modern residential and commercial buildings. From conduit installation and cable support systems to rack relocation and infrastructure coordination, every detail matters when building a dependable low-voltage network. At DV Systems, we take pride in delivering clean, professional, and reliable installations throughout Brooklyn, New York City, and surrounding areas. Whether it's structured cabling, fiber optics, wireless access points, security cameras, or complete low-voltage infrastructure solutions, our team is committed to quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com. Like and subscribe for more real-world network cabling installations, infrastructure projects, and technology solutions from the field.